Hey guys, what is up? It's Dusty here, and welcome back to another crypto video. And 256 million XRP was just transferred from Coinbase. And you know what I kept seeing? I kept seeing people go just chatting that stuff over on Twitter. Dusty, make a video. Dusty, Coinbase relisting. Coinbase this, Coinbase that. So of course, I went full attack mode to say, no, nothing special happened, or did it? Well, today we'll talk about just that, plus a lot more. So stay tuned, stick around, it's about to be fun. And guys, today I had a couple of these moments where you just start to reconsider life. And I'm not really sure if I'm the only person who's had this, but I just read this and really wanted to share it. A 12-year-old earned or at least they're expecting, he's gonna earn $400,000 selling NFTs. When people buy weird whales, they're investing in me and my future. And oh my, I don't wanna. Dusty BC is losing his mind over here. Because this man, and I can't even call him a man, can I? This 12-year-old dude is earning $400,000 selling some NFTs. Okay. All right, guys, question. All right, will you fund my ventures? Will you guys, would you all buy a Dusty BC NFT if I were to make a collection? Let me know in the comment section down below. Should I change my life around and go into the NFT business? Cause oh, bada boom, bada bing, this is crazy. I can't even understand. All right, if I just let one of my younger ones here, all right, 12 years old as well, make an NFT. Would you guys get into it? If I make him draw stuff, it's crazy though, isn't it? $400,000, 12 years old. I gotta give him some props for that though. That's crazy that he can even touch the internet like that. All right, so. This transfer, I already kind of hinted towards it, but it really isn't that big a deal, but it is definitely interesting. Popular crypto tracking platform Whale Alert has spotted a whopping 256 million XRP transferred by Coinbase in a single transaction. The amount of crypto is equal to $300 million at the current XRP price of $1.13. Well, that has also changed a little bit. Today, we've actually fallen quite deeply, quite severely, and we're still within our area of interest, so nothing too severe just quite yet, but things are moving, all right? Things are moving. Not bad at all, because obviously any movement like this is kind of an ease towards our investment into the future, because I told you guys, I need to buy some extra XRP, and now that we're back at the area which I initially wanted to buy for, it's just about, I'll show you guys, all right? Let me just buy another, how much should we do, guys? 500 XRP? Oh, this 5,000. No, we're gonna do 500. I was thinking for a second. We're gonna buy another $500 worth of XRP, just because it kind of put where my mouth is, right? Once more, I don't think that buying in these areas is really too bad of an idea. And even though this lawsuit is gonna take a little while, I think we're gonna make a freaking ton of money on this. So that's why I'm doing that. That's, by the way, over on Bybit, where right now there's $3,650 worth of bonuses, $3,650 worth of bonuses that you can get for free. A link is down below. Now, data shared by the website BitThumb, which works with XRP, has revealed that the transaction was performed between internal wallets of Coinbase. Curiously, the Nasdaq-listed crypto trading venue suspended XRP trades in January of this year, along with several other major exchanges such as Bitstamp, Binance US, and a few others, after the SEC, kind of unlawfully, but okay, sued Ripple. The company expected Coinbase to reinstate XRP on its platform on July 28th. Well, some people did, since this was the day when SEC Chairman Gary Gensler had to provide a detailed plan on crypto regulation to Democratic Senator Elizabeth Warren. The latter is a member of the Democratic Party and the chairperson of the Senate Banking Committee's Subcommittee on Economic Policy. She is a vocal critic of crypto on the whole. It's also not completely true, and reckons that due to their high volatility level, crypto impose great risks on consumers and financial markets. Well, Binance also shifted 100 million XP to China. Large transactions of XRP were also detected by Whale Alert earlier this week. Tab crypto exchange Binance transferred a staggering 100 million XRP tokens in two lumps, 60 and 40 million XRP. The recipient was Huobi. And so what I'm assuming is that Binance is right now just having a person who, okay, there's two scenarios. One is it's Binance themselves sending money to a different exchange to do something with. But most likely it is either Ripple, who has a Binance account, what they're sending to Huobi from, or, because if there's no connections to it, then it's most likely not them, it is just a person who has an account on Binance and Huobi, most likely just a Chinese person, I'm assuming, or Chinese business, and they basically want to continue their ventures over in that area, but might have had some issues over there. And the Coinbase transfer could be either of three things. One, it is a individual that uses Coinbase as custody. For that matter, it could also be a institution using Coinbase for custody, and they basically just transferred it to a different wallet. Now, two, it could be Coinbase doing some XRP restructuring within their company, just they're basically moving their crypto in a different place. And three, it could be some preparation for a relisting where they're providing the proper liquidity to the proper wallet for the proper, connection at some point or another. We don't really know exactly what it means. It's because we don't really get any clues, for that matter, that we also cannot figure out exactly why this was done, but it is interesting. Then XRP lawsuit. Ripple claims the SEC is fighting illegal standards. Guys, one thing you should really know by now is that right now, we're fighting a battle not only for Ripple, but for the entire crypto space. And I would personally like to say that right now, the SEC is picking winners and losers, and, well, quote, the SEC also continues to fight the legal standards that the court has already recognized apply to the fair notice defense raised by Ripple and to the SEC's aiding and abetting claims against the individual defendants. What the SEC does not, because it cannot defend, is its across-the-board assertion of the deliberative process privilege. Instead, the SEC asks the court to trust it, order production of nothing, and look at nothing. Which basically means right now the SEC is trying to hide as much information as they possibly can. And the thing is, the court is what they're asking. Should just don't really look too much into it. Just honor it. Just trust me, bro. That's basically what they're asking. The SEC's efforts to shield production of this relevant material on the basis that the court may dismiss the claims against the individual defendants or that later rulings of the court may narrow the scope of the claims are only evidence of the weakness of the SEC's position. And let's quickly check it out. In context of Hinman's deposition, Ripple claimed he had admitted that he could not recall any specific work product generated at the time he joined the SEC relating to federal security laws and Bitcoin, Ether, or XRP, and did not think people had completely thought through all the ways the security laws may apply to that activity. This brings us to a couple of points. First of all, what the SEC said is untruthful because they basically made it look as if they gave proper understanding to the markets when even William Hinman doesn't really know too much about it. Second of all, it brings into question everything that the William Hinman speech stood for. Was it his own personal views, which were backed by the SEC? Or was it a SEC opinion? Well, that is questioned again because Jay Clayton based a speech upon his, and other SEC members later on said that for guidance, they refer to the William Hinman speech. Yet, right now, that's so dubious. And in a little quote here, the crypto company added that SEC allegations against Ripple had been fatally undermined and that the SEC had mischaracterized Hinman's deposition as being dubious. Because it's really not that understandable what clear point we can fetch from this. Did he or did he not know? Did he have any role in all of it? Was the market given proper clearance or not? It's all kind of vague. It really, really is, in my opinion. Then XRP lawsuit, Ripple to file a surreply to correct the SEC's misstatements in Slack data disputes. That just went on. I wanted to quickly reaffirm that happened. Will Ripple XRP turn bearish as legal battle at the SEC heats up? No. I personally think that right now the XRP price moving is just a reflection of Bitcoin moving, and I don't really think too much of it, to be honest with you. If I do start to think much or more of it, I will tell you, but right now, this is just the general movement of crypto. It's nothing too bad, nothing too much. Then Cardano's first ever sidechain project will bring Ethereum smart contracts to Cardano. One fun thing I should also mention is that Cardano is one of the coins which I'm so excited about, also from the perspective that they just have not done too much yet, and they have a lot of room to expand on. So I also think that once the smart contract feature goes completely big on Cardano, there's going to be quite a lot of projects who are going to merge over because of this huge gas fee problem over on Ethereum. And to come back to the earlier point, yes, Ripple says that the SEC mischaracterized the Hinman deposition because there's just too many freaking questions about it. Mr. Hinman's personal views as to XRP status are dubious. In any event, given his testimony, that's not all of the factors laid out in Howey need to be met to be an investment contract, which just makes things unclear. Is it all factors that need to be considered, or just some, or everything? It's just not clear, guys. I'm confused, you're confused, everybody's confused, which is more and more hints that this entire lawsuit thing is just a joke or just some facade. It's just, man, it's just a crazy space. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you press the like button. Make sure you also go check out Bybit. A link is down below. And I'll see you guys again in another crypto video later today.